Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at the Toyota Prius Prime Upgrade Technology Package. This is a 4-passenger, 4-door hybrid in supersonic red. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, backup camera, and the smart key system for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Prius and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. We're going to take a look in the front first. This Prius does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock for you. Taking a look in the door first. On the bottom you do have some nice storage space, and above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Equipped with all-weather mats, and if we take a look on the bottom, you do have your power seating adjustment buttons. Now why don't we hop inside. We're going to start this Prius up. It is a push to start. Put your foot on the brake and press that engine start button right there. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. So we got these arrows here, and this will just help you navigate through your entertainment screen located in the center. You also have your volume options, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. If we move on to the right, this cluster will help you navigate through your multi-information display located up the top. Like so. You also have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons right underneath with dynamic cruise control and lane departure assist, and right next to that you have your heated steering wheel button. Behind the wheel you do have your cruise control speed settings. Now we're going to move on to our entertainment display screen. Right now we have this split screen going with the climate control settings and the navigation map. You can also press that navigation map and that it will enlarge, and your climate control is just on the bottom left. If we go on source, you have your standard AM and FM options, of course. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth device. This Prius does have a backup camera. Just put that in reverse. Get those nice guidelines as well. Moving down, you have your little shifter here with your park button, your different drive modes. Down in here, you do have your driver and passenger heated seats. Your key wireless charger. You got this button right here. Just make sure that green button is on. You put your phone right there and it'll charge up without any wires. You got your 2 cup holders, 12-volt outlet, USB and auxiliary. Center console opens sideways, plenty of space, and you also got this nice little shelf up top that slide around. Before we take a look at cargo, let's take a look in the back. On the bottom of the door you do have some nice storage space, and continuing with the all-weather mats. Behind the driver and passenger seat you do have these nice little pockets for some extra storage. The rear passengers do have their own little cup holders, and if we press that, they also have their own little center console. So to open up, all we got to do is press this button right underneath the Toyota emblem, and that comes up nice and easy. Plenty of cargo space in this Prius. Like I did mention, the rear passenger seating does fold down, and that'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. And to show you on the left and on the right, it does tuck in a bit, allowing for more space. So to close up, we got these handles on both sides. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Prius Prime. Once again, some of those great interior features include Bluetooth audio, hands-free calling, and navigation. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and as always, drive safe.